Hey folks, today we're going to do chores with Louie. He's been going with me for the last few days and he kind of enjoys it. He don't like the goats too much, but he likes to ride. So we're going to take him with him. Girls want me to do a video with him, so let's go do some chores with Louie. So first thing we do, of course, is the goats, and he don't much care for the goats. He don't know what to think of them. He's kind of shaking right now. Now we're gonna move Gigi with the big boy over here this week, so they're over fighting. This one right here, we're gonna get rid of old Peanut here. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. So I usually put him down over here and he just kind of hangs around while I feed, so I'm gonna put him down over here and I'll take care of these goats and we'll go into the next sleigh. Chickens, he's kind of indifferent to. He don't really know what to think of them. Thinks they're kind of funny, I think. He's not really afraid of them. Stay right here while Pappy feeds the chickens, okay? Stay right here. Good boy. So he's not afraid of the sheep. He's I don't know if he thinks they're dogs or what, but he's enamored with them, ain't you? All right, let's get them moved. One thing he don't like is this hot weather. Whoo, I can tell you. Yesterday when we got through, he was so hot he went over and laid on the air vent for an hour. He's got to look at this all full of fur. I mean, he ain't nothing but fur. I'd say I'd get hot too, wouldn't you? All right, let's get these babies moved. Hello, Big Red. You want to go in there with them? Huh? You want to go in there with them? No? let's go get the eggs. Well, we did pretty good, huh? Uh-oh. Dadgummit. Let's go. This for your little buddy here. No, you can't have it. Dixie! That's for your little buddy likes to eat those. Hey, we appreciate you coming along on our chore journey today. Hope you appreciate me taking little Louie. I hope y'all stay cool. I mean, it's hot as blue blazes, and we're doing our chores a little later in the evening, and kind of not doing too much around there except what we have to because it's so hot. Y'all need to stay cool. Remember, don't get overheated now. It's easy to do this time of year. Even a little puppy right here, I can feel he's kind of sweating. So anyway, I hope you liked the video. Give us a thumbs up. We appreciate everybody that came to the farmer's market. We appreciate y'all's support. We did all right. We didn't do as good as we thought we should, but you know, it was a different location, but we'll see how it goes. Anyway, appreciate you watching the video. Appreciate all you subscribers. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Louie says bye. Bye-bye. Hey, support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the farm in the next video.